This is the 2003 Otis traction over here at Perimeter Mall, Macy's in Atlanta, Georgia, with a horrible door slam. Going down to 1. Here we are at 1. Going back up to 3. Here we are at 3. Going back down to 1. This area is so nice, by the way, but horrible door slam. Here we are back at 1. Which floor for y'all?
2.
Okay. You're welcome. There we all go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, back up to 3. Here we are, back up at 3. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. There it goes, and that will be it.